It's the latest look at measles infection seemed to show a slow in the spread of the disease, but experts say it's too soon to know if our outlook is improving. While Health and Human Services Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. was in Aggieland yesterday, he answered questions about the virus from the media. Nicole Marino was there for that visit. She joins us live with more. Nicole?
Carla, the state's measles cases are still centered around that cluster of the virus in West Texas, and new cases haven't shown up in the Brazos Valley or Central Texas. There have been just 17 new cases of measles since last week, making nearly 700 cases this year. Less than 10 of those people are actively infectious. The state makes up more than 2/3 of all the cases in the country. In Aggieland yesterday, Secretary Kennedy pledged federal resources to help fight the outbreak, which has already infected nearly triple the number of people who got measles in all of 2024. Kennedy was also critical of media coverage on illnesses, which he believes is improperly focused on contagious diseases instead of chronic conditions like autism and diabetes.
We have an autism epidemic in this country where 100,000 kids a year are diagnosed with autism. We've gone from 1 in 10,000 to 1 in every 31 kids. We have a diabetes epidemic. Those should be the concerns that the press should be covering. Every child who gets measles gets a headline. When I was a kid, there were 2 million measles cases a year, and nobody wrote about them.
As you know, Carla, measles is highly contagious and often before a person knows they have symptoms. It was declared eliminated in the United States in 2000 and stayed that way for nearly 20 years until a vaccine in the 60s, and the CDC says measles infected 3 to 4 million Americans each year, hospitalizing around 50,000 and killing 400 to 500. Live in studio, Nicole Marino, News 3.